Okay, we're going to learn how to create a budget, and to create a budget we're going to use two things: spreadsheets and rational numbers. Okay, so what do we need to create a budget? The first thing you need to create a budget, it's obviously to have something or some expenses that you're going to use, or that you're going to have during the year, or that you expected to have during the year. So this is the first thing that you're going to do. The second thing that I suggest you to have when you're doing a budget is to have categories. Divide your budget in categories, and by having in categories you can know how much money it's going to each category. And finally, obviously, you need to start calculating your values. So I'm going to give you an example of items, categories, and values. And more important, you're going to see how to use Excel to calculate your budget. Let's go. Let's see how you can do it. So you're going to see very quickly that I'm changing to my Excel, and now you're going to define some items that you're going to, your expenses, your initial expenses. So I'm going to show you, for example, let's say that you're going to have a house rent. Maybe you're going to have some food. Maybe you're going to spend on your health insurance. Okay, maybe you're going to have some part that is called maybe transportation, and these type of things we maybe clothes. So in these type of things we're going to put it in something called the category basic needs, for example. Okay, so basic needs, basic needs, basic needs, and basic needs. Okay, now I'm going to give some space. Maybe during the year, because okay, I didn't tell you this, but annual budget should be something that you should do annually. Okay. So for example, now let's see some things that you want to buy. Maybe personally I need a cell phone. I need a computer. Okay, so there are kind of facilities that you want to buy. Maybe you're going to buy some. You want to travel in December, so tickets to travel. Maybe you're going to spend on. What else you can spend? Maybe you want to give gifts for Christmas. Gifts for Christmas. Okay, I think that I wrote wrong. Christmas, or maybe birthday gifts. Okay, and we're going to put this in. I'm going to buy it like luxury. Okay, the category luxury, like, okay, this is something that it's not a basic need, but I'm going to use it. For example, here maybe you can put the electric bill, the internet bill, okay, the gas bill. Okay, I'm giving you examples. This could be the category gifts. Okay, I'm going to just because of the way that I'm showing you here, I'm going to paste the information here. And maybe there's another item that you want to buy that is let's say that okay, you have your school fee. or school supplies. Maybe you like books, so books, let's call this in education. Okay, education. Maybe you're thinking of an investment. Maybe you want to open a company, so company opening, so that's an investment. Okay, maybe you're thinking of saving some money for the future. You know, maybe you're going to save some money for a trip to Qatar 2020, Qatar 2022 tickets. So long-term savings. Okay, or maybe you're going to save money just to have some money. So savings account. So it's a long-term saving. You know, it's like in a way that you can save your money. Okay, this is an example of what you can do in order to have your basic ideas of the budget. You can include many things. Okay, this is not like something that you should follow exactly a process like straightforward, like very strict. No, you can just think of what you're going to spend to and do the list according to this information. Okay, so you don't need to think like somebody needs to give me the list. You have your list, you create your list. Now let's see how to calculate some values using first an idea on a paper, and then we're going to see it on our Excel file. So let's say that, as you can see, one of our ideas is to have a budget for house rent. Okay, so one of our ideas is to have house rent. So we're going to calculate our house rent. So to calculate your house rent, you just need to okay. So you just need to calculate the house rent. So you know that you pay monthly an amount. Let's say that the fee you pay per month is 700 per month. But as it's an annual fee, so it means that you need to multiply this number times 12. So 12 times 700. Okay, so this is what you need to write. 12 times 700 to have your house rent. Another part of the budget, maybe it's maybe in clothes. You can just go have a list of the clothes you want and add them. Okay, so easy. Or maybe in food. You know that in food you spend about $500 per month. So you know that here the answer will be 12 times $500. Now, how to do this multiplication in Excel? If you don't want to waste your time doing this, and you want to multiply it, how to do it in Excel? Okay, to do it in Excel, you just need to use equal. Equal. Okay, equal, and you put the numbers 12 times 700, and you can see that now it's posted automatically. My Excel recognized that that it's a money. But if you don't know how to check, how to tell what is the format, you can go here to okay, no, I don't have it here. Okay, you just click, you just do right click, and in right click you could see the format. Okay, number format, and in number format you can choose that is money. Okay, So 12 times 700, let's see that food. So you have 12 times 500. Okay, and this is how you can calculate each one of your um, items in your budget. Okay, so for example, here is not as a format, so I'm going to do number, currency, and that's it. Oh my god. Okay, so now you can see how your money is spent. I'm going to put some numbers here. Maybe you're going to waste in health insurance $3,600. Maybe you're going to spend in transportation, let's say 600. It could be more. It could be like $1,200. And in clothes, let's say that you're going to spend $1,500. Okay, so I'm going to select my numbers. I'm going to right click. I'm going to tell them that please the currency, okay, and please tell me cents. Okay, and that's it. So you can do it with all your, obviously you can do it with all your different items and categories to have an idea of how to do it. Now let's see that you want to add these items from each category to know how much you're going to spend. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a column in Excel. It's not something difficult, it's not rocket science. So I'm going to write here subtotal. Okay, so you will know that it's like part of the budget that we have. So I'm going to just equal, I'm going to write sum. In my case, I'm sorry, I have an Spanish Excel, so it will be suma, but in English will be sum. And you select the numbers. Look at that, it's saying C3, C7, so that's it. And I just have my addition of the numbers. Just remember, number format, and I'm going to tell it I want 2 decimal places. Thank you, and that's it. Okay, if you have this problem, it's because you need to put it right. Okay, so now you can see 20 and 700. Okay, and this is how you can calculate your expenses using a budget. Okay, and this is how you can start adding to have the first fees of this part. Now in future videos we're going to see how you can use this budget to have percent, okay, to work with percent using your budget. Okay, so don't lose for the next video about budgeting, because in the next video of budgeting I'm going to show you how to use percent. I hope you have an excellent day. I hope you like the video, and see you in the next time in which we talk about budgeting. Bye bye.